Davinci, Frame by Davinci. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And in today's video, I want to show you how now I am creating mood boards all using AI. Let's get into the video. Welcome back to my channel. So like I said, for me as a fashion and portrait photographer, working with models, working with brands, working with agencies, the toughest thing for me to do is to really fine tune what I'm doing as far as the look, the aesthetic, the style. So now when I used to do these mood boards, I used to have to go into Pinterest and go search for some images that are kind of similar to what I'm looking to do, but not really kind of to give the vibe, to give maybe some posing, maybe to give a location idea, maybe the jewelry, maybe how the hair will be, maybe how the makeup will be. And I do all of these things, right? Searching, trying to find as close to the vision that I have for my mood board. And sometimes it just don't work out, but with this new AI wave, man, AI is making it a lot easier to make these ideas and these visions that we have as creatives come to life, because we can create it in AI, right? We can create the location that we want the model to be in. We can create the look, the jewelry, the styling, the hair, the makeup. All of these things can be done in AI. And I want to take you behind the scenes of a shoot that I had where this vision came from an AI vision and we was able to execute. So let me show you kind of let me show you how I used to do my mood boards, and then I'm gonna show you kind of the prompts and things that I'm using within AI to get exactly what I need, right? So let's go over to the computer. Let me go to my Canva here, so I can give you a sample of kind of like what my mood board used to look like, right? So here we go. This is a mood board that I have for like a resort style look, right? So I had to go in Pinterest and find each one of these images here before I could send it over to the model, right? So I'm searching resort wear. I'm kind of going with this all white theme, very resort, like Bali, maybe Tulum. Like that's the aesthetic of the look that I was going for in this shoot. So I had to go find all of these images. Let's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images I needed to go find on Pinterest to put in this mood board so I can send to the client of the vibe or the aesthetic that I was going for this. Now, the problem is yeah, it's kind of, you could get the vibe, right? But it's still a lot of room for interpretation, right? How's the hair gonna look? How's the makeup gonna look? How's the jewelry gonna look? It's really involved. Now, using MidJourney, I want to show you what I came up with as a style, and then I want to actually share with you the exact prompt that I'm using. So let me go into my MidJourney. If you don't have MidJourney, you have to download Discord to get this first. And this was, if you can see my screen here, this was the concept that I had. I wanted to shoot in a parking garage. I've had this vintage sweater that I purchased from a thrift shop maybe 2-3 years ago that was just like, maybe I spent $5 on it, but I've never shot it, and I've always wanted to shoot it. So I really went into MidJourney and typed in what I actually wanted, right? I wanted this aesthetic of this red sweater. I had my model, my Haitian model, shout out to Cynthia. She always kills it when it comes to the aesthetics and the jewelry and the accessories. So I'm like, yo, I want to do this look. I sent her this mood board. This was all I sent her. I didn't send her my typical mood board. I built this in MidJourney and said, this is the look that I want. Can we execute? I told MidJourney the location, which was the garage, the outfit that I was looking for, the jewelry that I was looking for, and I'm going to show you the exact prompt that I used real quick. So let me get out of this and let me go back to my MidJourney so you can see this prompt. And here's my prompt: 80s fashion photography, full body shot of an African American fashion model with hanging dark dreadlocks wearing a vintage red cardigan sweater with black trim and 5 black buttons in the front, with a leather skirt, gold accent jewelry, and high heels in a vacant parking lot, shot on a Kodak Gold 400 8K, ultra realistic, natural light. This AR stands for the aspect ratio. So you'll learn these prompts once you get into MidJourney, but AR stands for the aspect ratio. I do a 4 out of 5 aspect ratio because that's Instagram's portrait version. And then the stylized 400 kind of lets the AI play around with the creative aspect. If you change this value of the stylized, the lower the number, the more close and accurate the AI is trying to get to what you put. If you put stylized at like a 400, 500, you're giving the AI some range to kind of play around with what it comes up with. So I came up with this. That was the prompt that I used. That was what it gave me for the prompt. And I sent that to the client just like that, right? And then I'm going to show you some of the images that we was able to create from that. So let me go and you can see here's some of the images that we created. Sin absolutely understood my vision of what we was looking to do. And this was all just from me creating my mood board and my aesthetic through AI. And that's it. She had the jewelry, I came with the sweater, and she complimented and she basically executed the rest of the look. So that's how you guys now can use AI to really elevate the mood board, right? That took me less than 30 seconds, and you can play around with the AI to come up with, maybe it didn't get it on the first time, and you can say, hey, well, regenerate it again until you get what you need out of the AI. But for me, it executed exactly what I need. Cynthia definitely understood the vision, and I think because the AI was so accurate, it helped my model to be able to like, oh, this is the look he's going for. Let me make sure I can really execute this look. And she nailed it to the T. So basically we brought AI to life, right? This was a concept I created in AI that we brought into reality. And I feel like as photographers and creators, we can start using AI to help with the workflow or help with our communication and help maybe like, that would have took me 30 minutes to put that mood board together using Pinterest, then going over from Pinterest to Canva, and then kind of laying it out what I want, finding the pictures first. That would have took me 30 minutes just to send that, when I could have just put the right prompt in MidJourney, and in 30 seconds, boom, I got what I wanted. Gave me 4 images kind of the vibe, send it to the model, and she was happy with it, and we executed. So if you need help with like kind of learning prompts and how to understand MidJourney, I may do another detailed video of how that works. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you ever miss an episode. And if you've ever wanted to kind of learn how to do this mood board in AI, man, please do not hesitate to reach out, man. Framed by Davinci. I'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it, looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body, always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, She says she need me like heartbeat. Drive me the